Really? You still love him? You still love him? Why he beating on? Why he beating you and hitting you, suffocating you, and choking the dog mess out of you? Still want to be with him? Really? You just stupid. Point of it. You just stupid. So to all this video, I just want to put out there, y'all need to stop. Y'all female need to really stop just getting bad guys instead of good guys. Good guy go treat you right. Bad guy go treat you bad. And you think the good guy, y'all gonna have a good life together. But you get a bad guy, y'all gonna have bad relationship. Period. Good guy, good. Bad guy, yeah. I want to thank y'all for watching this video. And if you liked it, please subscribe to the channel and follow me on my other stuff in the description below. And it really just, you know, you know what? If you a good guy, and you really like this video, show it to the girl that put you in the friend zone. Real talk. I want her to see this. I'm talking to you. If you are a guy, you in the friend zone, share this with the girl that put you in the friend zone. Please. And then she might think twice about you putting you in the friend zone. And she might date your ass. Subscribe to the channel. Follow. If you want to talk to me about advice, look in the description below. And if you really like the video, comment on it, like it, share it with a friend. Really share it with that girl that put your friends on. Real talk. And yeah. Deuces.